Hello all, welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with sarees and dress materials, different varieties of sarees and dress materials. Okay, so we are based at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. It's a home-based store. So we deal with offline and online also, but offline is currently stopped at this current situation. And on online, we are accepting only for the blockings. Okay, once the situation turns back to normal, you can pay for the order, you can and you can ask for the dispatch. So only the blocking is allowed for this particular situation. So once the lockdown is over, we will be coming back to normal. So today I have some sets of soft silk cotton sarees, and the other one is the modern silk anarkali suit. It's just one suit, but I have an L and XL size. So I will show up with the sarees now. Okay. So yeah, this is a soft silk cotton saree, okay, but it has a rich zari work, thread work. All the colors are contrast and it's full of jacquard weaving. So this is a saree, okay, it's a pink and green base. So all in full saree it has a thread weaving, so it's a full of weaving. Everything is fully completely weaved. So it's a lightweight saree, it's not heavyweight. Okay, it's a lightweight saree, but it has a very rich design. It's full of thread weaving. So this is a pallu. You have the contrast pallu, pink with green, and the blouse is also contrast. It's all jacquard weaving. So this is the saree. The price of these sarees is 1100, and the shipping charges is extra, as you all know. It's 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rest of India. So this is the saree number 1. Okay, don't go with the number. Please take the screenshot of the sarees for further inquiries. I'm just showing the saree again. So this is the full saree body. So it has the small border on the one end with a zari, just a tiny zari thing that is on the border. Okay, so all full thread weaving. It's complete thread weaving. So this is the pallu. In the pallu also a full golden thread weaved. Okay, so this is the weaving you can see, and this is the pallu full of jacquard weaving. I'm moving with the next one. Each and every saree has a different design and the color is also different. So second one is Rama green with pink combination. It's a purple combination actually, purplish pink. So this is the second saree. All of them are lightweight but heavy design. It's a thread weaved. Actually it's a Rama green. It's a sea green color. The one visible is like a sea blue. It's a greenish shaded. Okay, it's not blue shaded. It's sea green, and the combination is a purple one. It's a thread weaved. Okay, the design is very closely intricate design. Okay, it's all this with a rich work, and it has the contrasting blouse piece in the same as pallu. So blouse also fully designed with thread. Okay, it's a very rich thread work. It's a soft silk cotton saree with full thread designing. The price is 1100. This is the second saree. Okay, it's a sea green. I will be posting the pictures, the real pictures of the sarees once the live show is over in my page Sri Purnima, so you can see the full picture for your reference also. We are entertaining only the blogging until the lockdown is over. So this is the third one. It's actually coffee brown with pink shade. It's a coffee brown. Again, it's full deep thread weave. So this is a design you can see. It's a full thread weaving. So this is the saree body. It's a coffee brown with pink base. And this is a pallu. It's a pink pallu. All of them are jacquard woven. So this is a blouse piece. It's a contrast blouse. So this is a full design. Saree come blouse come pallu. So please take the screenshot for the enquiries. Every day we are showing our saree number 1, saree number 2. So if you are asking for the saree number with saree number, it's a confusing one. So please take the screenshot or share me the description so that I can share you all the available collections with me. For all the collections, you can see my WhatsApp catalog. So when you check my WhatsApp profile, you will be having a catalog field. So in the catalog field, I have given all my collections listed. So you can see that also. So all of them are thread woven and lightweight. It's a full red color with the orange combination. It's a full red with orange. Hope you can able to see the designs. So it has this kind of designs, thread woven, and it has a orange pallu. Okay, even in the pallu the design is very intricate. And this is the jacquard blouse. So this is the fourth saree. It's a red with orange. So this is the design. Okay, this is the design, and this is the blouse pallu, and this is the blouse. So hope you can able to see the design clearly. Anyhow, I will be posting the pictures of the sarees. Once the live show is completed in my page, you can verify the picture also for the exact color and the designs. If you need any other pictures of the sarees, you can WhatsApp me with a screenshot of the saree. So it's a carbon grey with coffee brown thread woven. It's a carbon grey color. It's similar to black, but it's not black. It's carbon grey color. It's a full detailed thread weaving design. So the border, contrast border, and with purple combination. This is the blouse pallu. It's a purple one, and this is the blouse piece. So all of them are jacquard woven. Okay, so I will show you the details. So this is a saree, and this is the pallu, and this is the blouse piece. So this is how the saree will be looking. All of them are priced at 1100. Okay, so these are the collections that I have in soft silk cotton. So I will be listing the saree for you once again. So this is saree 5. So red, coffee brown, it's sea green, and the pink one. Okay, these are the 5 sarees. So I will be moving to the next one. Okay, next one is only one set. It's a model silk fabric. It's a long gown. It's a long gown. It's a 55-inch long gown with lace embroidery. So it's a 55-inch long gown. Just a thread pulled out. Okay, this is the design. So it's a full long gown, 55-inch long gown with full embroidery. The fabric is model silk. I have the same piece in L and XL size also. So it's a 40. It's in 40 and 42. Okay, this is L size, which I am showing as L size. So you have the complete set. It's a cotton legging pant. Okay, and this is the blouse piece, dupatta. It's a normal Nasim dupatta. Okay, plain dupatta, plain legging. This is a full long gown, 55-inch long gown. So in the neck, in the yoke part, you have this kind of design. So this is the design in the yoke part, and in the bottom, overall in the umbrella cut, you have this kind of designs. So the fabric is model silk, similar to Chanderi, and you have the inner also. It's a full stitched gown. The size available in L and XL. So this which I have shown you is the L size, and this is the XL size. The price is 1650. Please take, it's a peach color. It's a single set which is available. If the shipping charges is same, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the shipping cost and the product cost. If you have any orders or if you want to have more inquiries on any products, please WhatsApp me with a screenshot of the product. If you want to see all the collections in my WhatsApp catalog and in the profile, I have listed all the collections, so you can visit my profile and you can check for my catalog. So that's all I have for today. Maybe in a few days I will be coming up with the other collections. So that's all guys. Be safe at home, be secure. So that's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.